In this video, I'll show you how to use Robinhood Strategies Managed IRA using the mobile app. This feature is designed to help manage your retirement investments automatically based on your financial goals and risk preferences. First, open the Robinhood app on your phone and sign into your account. Once you're on the home screen, tap on your profile icon in the bottom corner and go to the Retirement or IRA section. If you don't already have an IRA account, you'll need to open either a traditional IRA or a Roth IRA before continuing. After entering the retirement section, look for an option called Robinhood Strategies Managed IRA or Automated Investing Features depending on your app version. Tap on it to begin setup. Robinhood may ask you several questions about your retirement goals, investing experience, time horizon, and risk tolerance. Answer these questions carefully because they help create a portfolio strategy that matches your financial situation. Based on your answers, Robinhood may recommend a diversified portfolio that includes ETFs or other investments designed for long-term retirement growth. Once you review the recommended strategy, you can choose to accept the portfolio and fund your IRA account. Tap on Contribute or Add Funds, enter the amount you want to invest, and select your linked bank account. Robinhood may then automatically allocate your contributions across the managed portfolio according to the selected strategy. You can monitor your portfolio performance, account balance, and asset allocation directly from the IRA section inside the app. It's also a good idea to review your retirement goals regularly and update your preferences if your financial situation changes over time. If you do not see Robinhood Strategies available, make sure your app is updated to the latest version and check whether the feature is supported for your account and region. And that's how you can use Robinhood Strategies Managed IRA. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple app tutorials.